Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? This time you can see my brother, the Stellar XLM are very badly lost now, and definitely what's the reason? The reason, my friend, absolutely I will share now. But kindly, my brother, please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more of this type informative videos. The main reason, my friend, I want to tell you in this video, but kindly please, my brother, remember to the giveaway is also coming soon. So if you want to participate, so just only click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Stellar XLM, my brother, in this time you can see here the price 0.25 USD dollar, and I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing if you hold. So kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, Stellar XLM will give you a very good profit, but just only if you hold. So hold, I hope they will give you a profit. Yes, my brother, and those days all crypto market is very badly dumps down and not compatible. So therefore, my brother, this time you need to hold. If you hold, so I hope they will be increasing, the price will be increasing and they will give you a profit. Otherwise, my friend, they cannot give you a profit and you will be completely lost now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time channel link will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.